This video is covered under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, etc.
Many people are talking about this whole court thing. I just want to say I cannot fix the stupidity of the ignorance and the content creators that willfully violate the law, like trying to play the court proceeding unlawfully and illegally on their channel. Also, somebody showed up in court today and told people, listen, it's going to be extended until I'm properly served. And my attorney has already filed in the court action. I've told you guys before, I have hired an attorney. I plan on going after the Proudfoots and Bowersox legally over this. There's not a whole lot that I can say as far as I can't fix stupid. But, you know, this is why you don't go to felons for your legal crime news, because they don't know what they're doing. They don't know anything about it. If they knew anything about the law, they probably wouldn't be felons. I'm just saying, okay? You don't go to idiots for information. Once again, we have an attorney, okay? We have a lawful legal attorney that's handling this matter on my behalf. No, I'm not going to be going to court. They're not going to see Bullhorn Betty's beautiful face inside that courtroom. The only time they're going to find my beautiful face inside that courtroom is when I'm going to testify on on behalf of myself at the direction of my attorney. Again, we have an attorney for this matter, 100%. And after this case is said and done, I will be going after the Proudfoots and the Bowersox for damages for them willfully lying under oath. You can clearly see they staggered these out to try to get me to come to court 3 or 4 times. This is malicious. This is an abusive process. And I can't fix the stupidity here on these streets. All I can say is you guys can believe what you want. But again, this case is not going away. Not for me and not for the Proudfoots and Bowersox, okay? My attorney will handle it. At my understanding, he's already filed stuff into this case. He filed stuff into this case days ago. So the only reason why it was extended was because of service of process issues. And as you know, just like the first one, they extended another 2 weeks. My understanding is the next hearing will not be until September or sometime in September. So everybody can just sit tight, hang on. I got an attorney handling this matter. I don't need some yahoos on YouTube saying what is and what isn't. I can promise you, if they were believable, people would be on their channel believing their horseshit instead of over here getting the real facts and information. So I can't, again, fix stupidity. But no, you're not going to see me in court, okay? That's the whole purpose I purchased an attorney. That's the whole reason why we raised funds for this attorney. Okay, we still are in need of funds. So if you guys would like to contribute to the legal expenses, please do so. We were able, by the gracious people of this channel, one person in particular, Lisa, that has provided some help. Lots of help, and I'm very gracious for that. Through those efforts, we were able to raise $1,250 with all the people here. And while we don't try to rob our subscribers of funds unnecessarily, like Queen Bee did, we're spending the money 100% on legal expenses at this time. So if you would like to contribute, please continue to contribute. The legal expenses are going to be, I've got this paid for to take care of this matter, but there's also going to be legal expenses after this matter because we are going after the Christopher, Katie, Terry, and Maddie, aka Kathy, once this is all said and done for damages. What they did is unlawful. They lied under oath. They committed crimes, okay, against me. And so those things will be addressed at a later date, but I can assure you nothing was had. All they did was extend these protective orders, nothing different than what they did the last hearing. So I don't know what dumbass Fat Lips is saying, but I can guarantee whatever they're saying is a flat out lie. That I can guarantee. So sit tight. Again, I'm not going to be on here very long. I've got a long day of travel today, but I'm not too worried about anything. I've got an attorney. The attorney's already filed stuff in the case. And again, it's being handled lawfully and legally. I'm not breaking the law. The Proudfoots and the Bowersox are. So that's going to come back and bite them royally. And these idiots don't know what they're talking about. And if you don't believe me, sit around and wait, because let's face it, they've got nothing right in years. So what would make them magically have this right? Just saying. They lie, that they build their platform on lies, and people have got to stop listening to them. And if you choose to listen to them, you will always be disappointed because they lie and manipulate you.
Fuck you lying. Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop your fucking lying.
He's already filed stuff in the court case. Toe tag. So I hate to burst your bubble. I'm going to go eat my breakfast, but sit around and wait. I can guarantee you, promise you, 100%, you've been lied to and you were just fooled like an idiot because you listen to idiot channels. Mark my words. Peace out. See me. I'm not worried. God bless.
Okay, guys, this is a real-time update of the court filings. You will see here are the 1, 2, 3, 4 protective orders for Bullhorn Betty, which is Andrea Lynn Griffin. So we're going to go from the top to the bottom. This bottom one down here, that is the one for Chris Proudfoot, and his court date is coming up here in a few days. So I'll skip the last one, but we're going to go through the top 3, and those were the ones that were heard today. So we're going to go to the first one here. Okay, you will see here that Bullhorn Betty has been ordered to pay $274.50 for this particular filing. You will see that she still has not filed anything with the court. Right here, she is still listed as pro se. The documents here says served defendant ex parte order of protection served 8/19/2024. Hearings. Now, this is where it says order of protection 8/8/24, 9 a.m., where the case was continued. Today, order of protection, hearing date 8/22/2024, 9 a.m. Order of protection granted. All right, so now we are going to go back over here. We're going to go to the next one. Okay, as you can see, this one here says that she owes $274.50. For this one, that's in addition to the last one that we just looked at. Filings. No documents were filed. Now, Betty keeps saying, my attorney made filings with the court. According to this, no filings are found. Attorney, pro se, which means there is no attorney. Documents, defendant ex parte served 8/19/2024. She was properly served. This is the second order of protection. Hearings. The order of protection on 8/8/2024 was extended, or should I say it was continued, not extended. It was continued for today's court date, which is 8/22/2024 at 9 a.m. Order of protection granted. It says right here, the fees. I didn't click on this for the last one, but each one of these will be the same. This is what she's ordered to pay to the court. That makes up that total. So let's go to the third one. Here we are. Here's the third one. And you will see she owes $274.50 for this court hearing. This is the third TPO. No filings were found. Attorneys, pro se, no attorney. Right there, Bullhorn Betty, defendant, ex parte order of protection, served 8/19/2024. She is properly served. Hearings, 8/8/2024 at 9 a.m. The case was continued. Today's hearing date, 8/22/2024, 9 a.m. Order of protection granted. All 3 TPOs have been granted. This is the breakdown of the fees on this one, which is what makes up that total. So now we're going to go to the third. That was the third. We're going to go to the fourth. This is the fourth one. And you'll notice there's nothing due here because this one has not gone to court yet. Filing date on this one, filings, no filings were submitted. So she's lying. No attorney has filed anything with the court on any of these 4 cases. Attorney, pro se. Now, BHB is saying that there's an attorney. According to the court, Sumner County Court, there is no attorney. Pro se means defending yourself. Documents. Andrew Lynn Griffin, which is BHB, defendant, ex parte order of protection, served 8/19/2024. Now, she keeps saying that we're lying, but clearly nobody's lying about this. They're getting it directly from the courts and saying exactly what it says. Hearing date, BHB, order of protection. The hearing date on this is 8/29/2024, 9 a.m. Not in September, 8/29/2024. And this is going to be heard in Sumner County. And this one here is Chris's TPO against Bullhorn Betty, which in my opinion will also be granted. So she will be having to pay fees on that as well. So there you go. Okay, guys, that about does it for this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my video. And until next time, be well.